Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets and tech.
Today, we've got something really exciting to dive into.
The TerraMaster F4-424 Pro NAS. This little powerhouse has been making waves in the world of network-attached storage, boasting some impressive specs and features.
But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the design.
The TerraMaster F4-424 Pro sports a sleek black aesthetic, a departure from its predecessors. With clean lines and a minimalist front panel, it's sure to look good in any setup.
But looks aren't everything. Let's talk hardware.
Powered by an Intel Core i3-N300 CPU and equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this NAS packs a serious punch. With 4 drive bays supporting up to 80 TB of storage, dual M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 slots, and dual 2.5 GB LAN ports, it's ready to handle whatever you throw at it. Speaking of ports, the TerraMaster F4-424 Pro comes with USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C ports, as well as HDMI output for easy connectivity. Accessing the internals is a breeze, thanks to the easy-to-remove side panel.
Now, let's talk software.
The F4-424 Pro runs on TerraMaster's TOS 5.1 operating system, with TOS 6.0 on the horizon. While TOS has its quirks, it gets the job done, with features like centralized backup and surveillance management.
But where the F4-424 Pro truly shines is its performance. With its beefy CPU and ample memory, this NAS delivers blazing fast speeds for file serving and multitasking. Whether you're running Docker containers or streaming media, the F4-424 Pro handles it with ease. So, what's the verdict? The TerraMaster F4-424 Pro is a powerful NAS that offers top-notch performance and a sleek design. While it may be a bit pricey compared to some competitors, its robust hardware and versatile features make it a worthy investment for power users and enthusiasts alike. And that wraps up our review of the TerraMaster F4-424 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy tech hunting!